Hey, if you want to add a chatbot to your webinar, stay tuned because I am going to show you the framework of how to create the easiest chatbot flow to get higher attendance rates to your live events. Stay tuned. Hey, my name is Andrea, and in this channel you will be learning about chat marketing, customer service tips and tricks, neuromarketing, and more techie tutorials of my favorite tools. Enjoy the next video. So hi, my name is Andrea, and I help coaches and consultants just like you attract the best leads using chat marketing and simple online event strategies so that they can become irresistible leaders online. I can guarantee that in every single video, you are going to get one thing that you can immediately apply to your business so that you become irresistible to your clients. So on this video, I'm going to show you what is the easiest chatbot flow to get higher attendance rates for your live events and have high profitability. So what do we need to do? The first thing we gotta do is get a ManyChat account. If you don't have a ManyChat account, in the description below, you're going to find a link so you can get a free account. Now, once we have that ManyChat account connected to our Facebook fan page, you need to create a message flow. So you go to ManyChat and you go to automation and then you select flows. You click on the top right hand side where the blue button that says new flow is, or you create a folder first. I would suggest you create a folder. If you like organization, make sure you create a folder for each flow that you create. So you create a new folder, then you create a new flow. And this message flow is going to be a reminder for your leads. So how are you going to get them subscribed so that they get the reminders? First, you have to create a welcome message asking them again if they want to get reminders for the time of the webinar and for event updates. Once you've created the flow that is going to get the person subscribed to receive event notifications, you are allowed to use the event tag notification, okay? So you go to the growth tools and select a way to get the people to subscribe to this flow. So what are the best options? You can either create a ref URL so you can do your own button and put it on your thank you page. You could do a ref URL so you can send it through email to those people who have registered to the webinar. You can create an embedded messenger button that you can embed in your thank you page so that people can actually click on it too and go to the message flow. Once you've created the ref URL or the button, you share it with all of the attendees that are participating on your webinar. You can send them a reminder message that the event is coming up. You can send a teaser message reminding them that the event is happening soon. After you do that, the day of the webinar, you send another message flow reminder with the event tag added so that they jump into the webinar 15 minutes before. That's the best message and the most important message you have to send. 15 minutes before the webinar starts, you can send a message on Messenger, an email on in your email autoresponder, SMS if you actually got the SMS information inside of your Messenger bot, which you can also add, and people will join more. Because, hey, let's face it, we receive so many emails a day and you could forget. Sometimes the Zoom emails are not enough. So that message notification from Messenger in the person's inbox will get them to attend your webinar easier. So that's how you do the easiest chatbot flow. Now, let's not forget the most important part, the replay and the upsell. I know that you're asking yourself, okay, Anna, so I got them into my webinar. Now, can I send them the replay in Messenger? Yes, you can. You have 24 hours to send the replay link. Do it before then. If not, you're going to have to use SMS or email, because after 24 hours, you cannot send people who have not interacted for that time. But you can send it to your whole registrants list of the event before 24 hours are over, because of the last message that you sent, because they have participated and it's open and it's part of the event. So you send a message after the event is over with the reminder that they are gonna get a replay message in so amount of time. You could do that. Or you can just wait for the video to render and send it a few hours later. You can use the smart delays for that. You can also get people to subscribe to a one-time notification so they receive the replay. If the people that didn't subscribe to the one notification don't get the replay, that is fine. That could be a filter that you can add so you can send the replay after 24 hours. So you can say, I am going to have the replay ready in over a day, so you need to subscribe to the one-time notification so that you get the replay access in Messenger. If not, you can find it on your email. Now, the other message that you can send before the 24 hours are over is the upsell message. You can let them know that the offer is going to go away. It's going to raise the price, whatever it is, the call to action for creating FOMO in your marketing strategy. You can send a message before the 24 hours are over. And that's the easiest chatbot flow to get higher attendance for your webinars. Now, if you have any more questions, put them below in the comment section. And I have a surprise for you. If you want to learn how to do all of this and more, I'm going to help you do a flow so that you can get the people to register directly inside the Messenger bot, and you don't need to use any websites. We could use only the chatbot, or we can use websites and chatbots. I use both. And I am going to teach this on a 5-day challenge called the Irresistible Webinar Chatbot Challenge. This challenge is going to be available for a limited time, and it's going to go live, and it's free. These types of bots are very, very much expensive. And I am going to give you the framework, and I'm going to show you over my shoulder how to create your own webinar chatbot flow and registration to the webinar flow. So you better register now. Just go to webinarchatbotchallenge.com. That's webinarchatbotchallenge.com. to get your ticket and register. Go ahead and sign up. Don't miss it, because the challenge is going to start on August 18th. And we are changing a lot of lives by creating this chatbot. Why? Because when we send messages through Messenger, more people show up. And these people need you. They're seeking you, your solution. You are the solution to their problem. And by adding a chatbot to your marketing efforts, you're going to reach more people, make more impact, and make more money. So join us. I would love to have you there, and I'll see you in the next episode. Remember that I post trainings and videos every single week here on my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one. God bless you, and I hope to see you in that challenge. Bye-bye.